Hey Photoshop lovers, in today's video I want to show you how to download Photoshop for free. So in this video we will discussing about two different methods. One is free and second is paid. So how you can do this? First of all, we are discussing about the paid method, which is normally each and every person are telling about dates. So first of all, go to Adobe Photoshop and click on the first link, which is official Adobe Photoshop. Here you will find the download link, which is 22.99 cents per month. You can get 14-day free trials also of this Adobe Photoshop. So this is the first method, and when you click on free trial, here you have to add all your personal information, and you can easily download this Photoshop and create your cloud apps. But here is another thing. You can if you doesn't want to buy Adobe Photoshop paid version, so there is another method from which you can use Adobe Photoshop for free. So how you can do this? The link of this website is given below in the description. When you click on new project, and here for example I want to select YouTube thumbnail. So how you can do this? When I click on YouTube thumbnail, here you will find same functions like premium Photoshop. For example, there is a rectangle, and here is another tools like magic wand tool, and another option quick selection tool, object selection tool. There is a crop tools, and the same function that are present in the premium Adobe Photoshop. You can find this, so you don't need to buy Adobe Photoshop paid version. Here you can use online for free without charges. So that's all for today video. If you find this video helpful, so please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.